Welcome back, rock and roll fans. Today we're playing an old, early 80s Strat style, no name guitar, but it does have a micro tilt neck on it. 3 single coil pickups. I believe they got Al Nicos in them too because they're metering out pretty high. Uh, 1 volume, 2-tone, 5-position switch, roasted maple neck, maple fretboard, medium jumbo frets. It looks like a Jackson headstock, right? But it's not a Jackson. I'm covering up the name because I don't want to get anybody in trouble because it's not listed nowhere. But I do believe this is a Japanese guitar. Fit and finish is really good around the pocket. 3-ply pick guard. Only thing I changed was the saddles. The saddles on the bridge. Got adjustable bridge, height adjustable up and down, 2-screw. Plays good, sounds good. Position 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really hot on the bridge pickup too. We're going to land in that E right there, right? So that should tell you we're going to do a rip on a heavy classic rock song, Thunderkiss 65, White Zombie. We're going to try it as slow and easy as I can. The rhythm is really choppy on it, so I mean, you really got to get that wrist going, right? So it's like a... So you know the song, heard it a million times, right? I'm sure you have. So you're chugging on that big old fat E string, right? Just really practice that rhythm because it can be tricky. Even for it's tricky as hell for me because I'm left-handed, play right-handed. I lived in Taylor for 30 some years, so yeah, it can be tricky. So. Then you're going to plant your A string, 2nd fret, E string, 3rd fret, then A string, 1st fret, E string, 2nd fret. So it's really... That right there, your power chord, A sharp, right? So it's E string, 6th fret, A string, 8th fret. Okay, so it's real slow one more time. So that's like the meat of the beginning of the song. That just take that on for now. Get pretty decent at it and play it at any guitar center, and you will be like guitar god. Especially if you grab like something with a humbucker in it, and maybe like an orange 20-watt amp, and crank it up a little bit. It'll sound really good. For now, that's it. Keep playing. Most of all, have fun. God bless everybody. Later.